keeping you connected to our community. 11 Connects.
Hey everyone, I'm Andrew Shaw and welcome to 11 Connects. And today we are connecting once again with Marquesa Hobbs from the Platinum Group. It is so great to have you back.
Thank you for having me.
And this time of year, a lot of changes happening with the weather and temperatures. And
Yes.
Number one thing for homeowners, maintenance.
Maintenance. So owning a home is amazing. It's an amazing milestone to reach, but along with owning a home comes maintaining a home, and that can feel really overwhelming for people. So what I like to do is break maintenance down into quarters. It's a lot more manageable, and what I know is if people stay on top of these really smaller items, it prevents bigger, more expensive issues down the road. So right now, fall temperature's starting to change. So the very first thing I'm going to share about 5 of my favorite things to do. First thing you need to do is have your irrigation systems blown out, because as you know, temperature changes happen very quickly here, and in October we usually get our first snowstorms. So you're gonna want, some people do it themselves, some call professionals, but you need to blow out those sprinkler lines, make sure you have everything adjusted properly so you don't have any freezes and then unexpected water in your home.
And then what else? There's so many more. That's a huge one. That is definitely, and that little bit of maintenance can prevent a lot of things in the future.
Absolutely, and that if you call in a professional, it's not expensive,
Right.
$100, $150 maybe. Second thing I like to do this time of year, HVAC. Have your HVAC system serviced. So bring in a professional, this one you do want a professional, to make sure the system is safe and in proper operating condition. Change out your filter, which also helps the system to be more efficient. While you're doing that, also check your fire alarm and your carbon monoxide detector.
That was so important there. And as the temperatures drop, a lot of people love to light that fire, sit at home, but we need to check those too.
Absolutely. There are some people here who are still lucky enough to have old-fashioned wood-burning fireplaces.
Yeah.
If you do, definitely call a chimney sweep in, get the creosote cleaned out. Also, while you're doing that, clean out those dryer vents. That is a big cause of home fires. So it's just a good reminder to do that as well.
It's so cool. You have all these great ideas here. What
Yeah.
other ones?
Another great one is we're in fall right now, leaves are falling, beautiful, and they can fill up your gutters. So clean those out, because what can happen is when you have a lot of water coming off of your roof, maybe a quick snowstorm, warms up real quick, the water's coming. If those leaves or debris are clogging it up, the water does not have a path to exit, and it can end up in your home.
It can, and really do some damage on the foundation long term. And
Yes.
Yeah, and any final ones?
Another thing that is a really good idea to do is make sure you have an emergency preparedness kit.
Great
For
idea.
a variety of reasons. In the winter, things can happen. You can have a power or a gas outage, so you want to have water, non-perishable food, flashlight, and a blanket. So just some things to keep your family safe.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, it won't be long before there might be a few snow days or the generator's not.
Absolutely.
Yeah, exactly. I like
Yes.
that. And here's what I'd love this. This is your Marquesa's list, and this is a booklet. Everybody can get it. Contact you to get it. What is the best way to contact you?
So people can call, email, or text me. This is a book I provide all my clients, and it's got some, again, a lot of these things people can do themselves, or you can hire a contractor. So great list of vetted contractors to help you with your home maintenance.
It is amazing looking through this, and so many people here are willing to help and just do great things. What a great resource for everybody.
Thank you.
What can we expect? We're going to wrap up here quickly, but for the end of 2024, a lot of great things happening in the market too.
Some great things. We've seen interest rates go down. We're also coming into sort of an uncertain time. I have lots of people asking me what's going to happen with the elections. How can that
Yes.
affect us? So there's a lot of different ways to look at that. Happy to share my thoughts and talk about your situation.
Connect with Marquesa. She's awesome. Glad you're here with us. Thank you once again.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.